Welcome to the Purdue Library's tutorial on the ComAbstracts database. This tutorial will cover an overview of the database, how to narrow down search results, and other helpful tools. The first thing that you might wonder is why you should use ComAbstracts. ComAbstracts provides data about the publication performance of individual scholars and departments in the communications, journalism, mass communication, and media studies fields. It is the only national system that covers the communications field comprehensively, with resources that are vetted by faculty specializing in various fields in communications. To get to the database, let's go to the Purdue Library's website at www.lib.purdue.edu. Next, click on the database link underneath the search box. This will link to a full list of databases available through the Purdue Libraries. To find ComAbstracts, go to the C section, scroll down to the title, and click on the link. Now let's take a look at the main page. There are a couple of options for searching, basic and advanced. On the basic search page, you have the option to limit your search type. These include searches where the keyword or phrase is anywhere in the record, where it is in the title only, or to search by the author. However, in this tutorial, we are going to focus on the advanced search. In addition to the previous search limits, in the advanced search screen, you have the option to limit by metaterm, publication, ISBN or ISSN, and First Authors University. It also allows you to include or eliminate synonyms in your search, set a time frame, or to limit your search to a specific publication. On the advanced search page, we are going to do a search for the phrase cable television. We will also narrow the results to word or phrase anywhere within the record, books only, and set the years between 1950 and 2020. This gives us 8 results. While this is an easy number of resources to review, you can still sort the results to make them easier to look through. At the bottom of the page, there are 3 buttons that will allow you to sort your results by date, author, or journal. To review the results to see if they will help with your research, click on the link beneath the title to view the full record and link options. This will give you information about the resource, including the citation, abstract, first author affiliation, and meta terms for the article. Beneath the resource information, there is also a link to check to see if the item is available at the Purdue Libraries. One last tip, if you are having trouble selecting a search term or phrase that will best work for your research, you can click on the tab for Subject Search. This page lists several context areas relating to communications and journalism fields. Select one to bring up a list of keywords pertaining to the area that will help with your search. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. If you are looking for other databases that are similar to ComAbstracts, here are a couple to try.